Jennifer Lee,
Aurelia Welton.
a Class A welder.
I'm a Class A welder. It is the highest class welder.
That could include repairs, line boring, torch cutting, plasma cutting.
Shows that you have knowledge in multiple different processes.
I actually do a lot with the CNC table, the plasma table. My favorite part is getting to draw and design, which doesn't have anything to do with welding, but it is so far my favorite part of the job. I like the design part, I like the drawing, I like the creating the different pieces.
I do a lot of the ARM, which is the edges and tips for loaders and everything. It adds weld that has carbide in it, so it just makes a lot stronger of a weld that lasts a lot longer for our customers.
My brother actually works here, and he's the one who got me interested in Wagner. He said, this has been such a great place to work. Everybody's so happy. You can grow. There's a lot of growth here. There's a lot of support.
I wanted to expand my knowledge. Previously, I wasn't doing heavy equipment, and it really made me excited to think about going somewhere where I can work on something that's huge and powerful.
It's great. Honestly, it's a great work environment. We all get along really well.
I love it here. Everyone here is really nice.
It's very equal here, and I like that a lot.
Working with people in a setting like this, you look out for each other.
We come to work really early. We work at 5 a.m. and we work 10-hour shifts. We work 5/10s. It's a lot of hours put in, so it's nice when you get along with everybody.
It's rare to be a woman welder, but I've never had any issues with the guys. It's nice to have Jennifer here with me because it's rare to have more than one in a shop.
It's really cool being a woman in the trades. It's really cool being able to get to do things that a lot of women maybe think that they don't have the opportunity to do.
The fact that I can do something that not a lot of people know about, let alone do. I had never heard of ARM before here, so being one of, I think, 3 people that know how to run a machine like this is pretty awesome.
It's been awesome, and you learn just so much, and I've never minded getting my hands dirty. I've never minded working out and building things and fixing things, and so it just seemed like the right path for me.
Welding is one of my favorite things in life. It may be my job, but I love it. To get to work with your hands and make stuff and do stuff that most people couldn't even dream of doing is just amazing. Once you get into it, you'll not want to stop.